All right, guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to swap Bitcoin, ETH, USDT, or pretty much any other crypto into Monero. And the nice part is you don't really need anything special for this. So if you're already using MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Phantom, or something similar, you're pretty much all set. So I keep seeing exact same situation over and over again. Someone already has their crypto, they decide they want to get some XMR, and then they suddenly realize Monero isn't just another token you can add with a contract address. And that's usually where the confusion starts, because a lot of beginners start searching around, watching different tutorials, and before they know it, they're being told to install separate Monero wallets, additional apps, and deal with a bunch of extra steps they probably weren't expecting in the first place. So instead of going through all of that, I just want to show you a much easier way to convert the assets you already have into XMR. And before we continue, make sure you watch this video until the end, because there are a few small details along the way that you definitely don't want to miss.
Honestly, I ran into this exact problem myself not that long ago. I needed some XMR and I needed it pretty quickly. So I started looking around, and at first it seemed like I had to create a separate Monero wallet, use different exchanges, move assets around. It just started turning into this whole thing. So I spent some time researching different options, checking reviews, even asking AI for ideas. And this is actually the service that kept coming up over and over again. I've already used it myself a bunch of times, so this isn't something I'm just randomly showing you. I tested everything beforehand, made a few swaps, and honestly, it saved me a lot of time. So let's just get into it. I'll show you everything step by step. The whole process is actually pretty simple. First, let's head over to the platform itself. I'll pin the official link in the comments below because crypto is full of fake websites these days, and all it takes is opening the wrong one once and things can go bad really fast. So yeah, always double check the link you're using and be careful out there. All right, so over here, I'm choosing the crypto I want to exchange into Monero.
And like I mentioned before, this platform supports a bunch of different networks. I don't need to make additional swaps first or convert everything into some specific asset before coming here. So I'll type in the amount I want to exchange, and right away I can see roughly how much XMR I'm getting based on the current rate. And if we scroll a little lower, there's also a table with live Monero rates against different cryptocurrencies. Sometimes it's useful to just quickly compare a few pairs. Okay, now I'm clicking connect, selecting the network I want to use, and then choosing the wallet I'm swapping from.
All right, everything looks fine, so I'll click swap, and then this window appears with all the exchange details. I always take a quick look through everything before confirming, just to make sure the amounts and wallet information are correct. Okay, so just a couple of minutes later, and XMR has already arrived in my wallet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, the whole process was actually really simple and didn't take much time at all. Now I have my Monero ready to go, and I don't have to deal with a bunch of extra steps or spend time jumping between different platforms. So hopefully this walkthrough was useful and gave you a better understanding of what's actually happening during the swap, instead of just clicking random buttons without knowing what's going on. And if you still have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I've been using this method for the past few weeks myself, and it's already helped me out more than once when I needed to quickly move between different crypto assets.